he didn't tell us anything. Even though we asked nice. So we were wondering. This man's like a son to you. Do you want to tell us who Black Lightning is now? Or do we blow his head clean off?
That's why you did this.
I'll count to 3. 1, 2.
You didn't tell him about me. I don't think it's a good idea for you to be here.
The ASA doesn't know about this place. You and your family are the only ones who've ever been down here.
No. You need to rest.
Jefferson. I'm sorry.
I know.
About everything.
I know. I know.
Jeff, it's happening again. They're kidnapping kids.
Yeah, I know. We can talk about that later, but right now you need to rest. I need to check on Lynn and the girls.
You gotta get them out of the house. They're in danger.
I'm already ahead of it.
You've got to find the spotter.
Spotter?
Someone like I used to be. There must be someone embedded in the community who identifies the kids who've acquired abilities from Greenlight. If you find that person, then you can find Nima and the others.
You rest.